back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be reviewing a facial kit from Nature Essence. So, this is the packaging, and I have with me the Whitening Pearl Facial Kit. Now, Nature Essence offer some more versions in the facial kit. Now, I have Whitening Pearl. You also get a gold facial kit, diamond facial kit, papaya facial kit, fruit facial kit, many more. You can go and check out on their website. They also have a YouTube channel, Nature's Essence Official. So please subscribe to their channel and you will get to know more about Nature's Essence products and everything. Now, before talking about this facial kit, because of the lockdown, I personally have stopped going to the salon because of the obvious reasons. But even before lockdown, we all have been to salon for a simple facial, and a simple basic facial or a fruit facial costs you like more than like 500 or maybe below 500. But that is for only 1 use. Now this pack of Nature Essence facial kit costs you only for 260 rupees, and you can use this one pack for 3 times. Isn't it super affordable? For me personally, this is a super affordable facial kit. Let's talk about the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like, and at the back of the pack you will get to know what all this package contains, how to use stepwise, and also the ingredients. Take a closer look. Now let's see what this facial kit promises. It says that it gives you a pearl white glow. Now let's see what all this box contains. It has a D-tan therapy pre-facial face pack which is in a tube form. I'm going to open and show you this box, what all it contains, but let's see what it's written on the pack. It has a D-tan therapy wipe off mask which I have talked about earlier. Then it has a cleanser tube, it has exfoliation tube, it has a lightening face pack, and it also has a polished face pack. Now let's open this pack. So this is how the packaging looks like from inside. Now this one is a D-tan therapy wipe off mask, and this is a pre-facial step. Now if you have been to salon, you know that just a single D-tan facial or a D-tan mask costs you a lot. But with every Nature's facial kit, you get this D-tan therapy wipe off mask for free. Isn't it a super affordable offer? I think this is an amazing offer. It says you have to apply a thick layer of this therapy wipe off mask, and you have to leave it on for 15 minutes, and you can either wipe it off with a wet tissue or a cotton, which will give you a visibly brighter and glowing skin. So this is the pre-facial step. Now let's move on to the first step. So the first step is obviously cleansing, and here also at the back of this tube they have mentioned how to use this cleanser. So you have to use this on your face and neck, and you have to massage it in upward strokes for 2 minutes, and then you have to wash it off with water. So you will be ready for the step 2. I will be showing you the demonstration of this facial, full facial. So please skip to the end of the video. So next step is a exfoliation step. So this is how the tube looks like. Now each tube of this facial kit is a 15-gram pack. Okay, so now let's talk about this steps of this exfoliation. You have to first moisten your skin, and then you have to apply this and massage gently in upward strokes for at least 3 minutes, and then you are ready for the step 3. The step 3 is a lightening whitening pearl cream. So this is how the tube looks like, and again at the back of this pack you will see how to use this pack. Now what they have written is you have to apply this cream in dots over your face, and you have to massage gently over face and neck for at least 10 minutes with your fingertips, and then you are ready for the step 4. Last but not the least, This is the fourth step, which is a polish glow pack. Now the best thing that I personally like about this facial kit is this D10 Therapy Wipe Off Mask. What this wipe off mask does is that it removes the tanning from deeper layer of your skin, and then you are ready for your facial. And I think this is the best pre-facial prep. This wipe off mask has the power to remove all types of tan, and I think this is the best day you will ever see in any facial kits. So let's jump into the demonstration and let's see how to use this facial kit. Come. Okay guys, so let's begin our salon like facial at home, which will hardly take 45 minutes. Okay, so let's begin. So first let's start with the star of the show, or the star of the facial kit, which is the D10 Therapy Wipe Off Mask. So as you can see, this is my face without makeup. Now first let's apply this wipe off mask, which is a pre-facial prep. I'm applying with my finger. If you want, you can use a brush to apply. Before applying this mask, I have washed my face with a face wash, because you don't want to apply this mask over dirty face. Let's wait for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, 15 minutes are over and this is how my face looks like right now. It's dry. It's completely dry. Now this tube says that either you take a wet tissue or a cotton and wipe off this mask. Just like the tube says, it's a wipe off mask. But personally I prefer washing my face. So I will wash my face and I will be right back. So I have washed my face and I can clearly see the difference. The difference is visible. Now that our pre-facial prep is over, let's start with the first step, which is cleansing your face with the whitening pearl cleanser. The tube says that you have to first wet your face and neck, and then you have to apply this cleanser all over your face, and you have to massage gently with your fingertips for at least 2 minutes. So let's cleanse our face. I will take a generous amount on my fingertips. There are some little pearl-like particles in this cleanser. Now let's cleanse our face. My face is already wet. Now let's massage in circular motion, just like our parlor Didi does. I'm avoiding my lip area because cleansers, any type of cleansers makes our lips dry. So keep that in mind. Yeah, 2 minutes are over. Let's wash our face. So I washed my face and my face is super fresh and clean for the next step, that is step number 2, which is exfoliation. This is whitening pearl scrub, and this says that you have to first wet our face, dot the scrub on our face, and then massage gently in upward direction for at least 3 minutes. So this will help in removing the dead skin cells, and it will allow the vitamin E to condition our skin, and it will give a soft smooth sheen, and then our skin will be ready for the step 3. So let's begin exfoliating our face. Take the generous amount of the scrub, and this is how the texture looks like. I've already moistened my face. Now let's scrub for at least 2 minutes, concentrating on the areas. I'm concentrating on the areas where I have blackheads, like on my nose, on the tip of my nose, sides of my nose. scrub does not have very large particles which will harm your skin. It has very fine particles, if you can see. This particles helps in removing dead skin cells without any harm to your skin, which is the best thing about this scrub. 3 minutes are over. I will wash my face and I will be right back. So this is how my face looks like after exfoliating. I have only done 2 steps, but still my skin looks so fresh and I can feel that softness on my face already. Now my face is ready for the step 3. Step 3 is this lightening cream. Now this says that you have to dot this cream on your face and you have to massage gently with your fingertips in upward directions for 10 minutes, and then you can relax as your skin absorbs the gleaming pearl dust in the cream, and then your skin will be ready for the step 4. And I can actually see that pearl particles on my face. Can you see it? This step you don't have to wet your face or moist your face. For this your face should be dry, pat dry. So I will pat dry my face and then I will apply this. Now let's apply this cream. It has a very creamy and soft texture. This is how the cream looks like. Now let's apply this all over face, and I'm going to massage gently in upward direction. Now for this step you will have to give good 10 minutes massage. So don't be in a hurry if you want a complete result. Massage your face for 10 minutes. Just relax and let your skin absorb the gleaming pearl dust which is inside this cream. Now I have given a good 10 minutes massage on my face and I have allowed my skin to absorb that gleamy pearl dust particles from that cream. Now let's wash our face and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back after washing my face and this is how my face looks like. Now let's move on to the final step, which is a whitening pearl polish glow pack. Now you have to just apply like we apply a normal face mask or face pack, and you have to leave this pack for at least 15 minutes and then you have to wash it off. Now let's apply this glow pack, which is a polish pack. This will polish your face. Take a generous amount of this pack because we have to apply this all over our face and neck. So this is how the face pack looks like. It has a very creamy texture. Now let's apply it all over our face. Now I've applied the face pack all over my face. Now just relax. Now I will just relax for 15 minutes and I will see you after 15 minutes and I will be right back. 15 minutes are over and my face pack is not completely dry. It still has some stickiness. Just like the tube says that you don't have to wait until the face pack is completely dry. So now let's wash our face. And so I am back after washing my face and this is how my face looks like. You can see before and after pictures. So after 45 minutes of this salon-like facial at home with this Nature Essence facial kit, you are good to go for any festival or any special occasions or wedding. So why you have to go to salon for expensive facials wherein you can buy Nature Essence facial kit for just 260 rupees and you can use this entire face kit for 3 times, and this facial kit, each and every facial kit of Nature Essence is suitable for all skin types. So what are you waiting for? Just grab yours and enjoy the salon like facial at home. Now the last and most important step is to apply your moisturizer. Never forget your moisturizer. So I'm using this facial moisturizer as a last and final step. This is not included in the facial, but you should always end up your facials by applying a moisturizer. To lock all the goodness of the facial that we did, and last but not the least, some lip balm to make your lips smooth. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this Nature Essence whitening coil facial kit, and I'm sure you're going to buy this very soon. I would highly recommend this facial kit because I personally have seen that change after just one use, and you can use this facial kit every 2 weeks for better results. So what are you waiting for, guys? Please grab yours and I'm sure you will love this facial kit. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a world to me, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, take care.